All right, so this starts today. We're tracking all the calories, we're tracking all the protein, we're lifting hard, we're doing cardio every day, we're cutting the bullshit out. So from this point, October 1st until January 1st, this is the winter arc, apparently. I don't know, it's the first time I heard of it, but fuck it, I'm with it. If you're trying to get in shape and you're struggling and you're big and you're at a plateau, bro, you need to count calories. I hate to tell you this, but you need to count calories. Don't listen to what anybody else says. This is all thermodynamics and it's been proven for years. Think about it. If you stick to this for the next couple months, you'll have all this momentum going into New Year's. And instead of saying, oh, I'm going to start doing this on New Year's, you can just build off of all the habits you've created during these months. Trust me, in my opinion, you should lock in with this. I'm doing this. I've been training every day. For those that are curious, that are following me and they're like, what the fuck is this? Is this a meme page? Is this an influencer? Is this, bro, I'm myself. I post shit that I love. I love cars. I love being better as a person because I know how shitty it feels to not be your best self. So we're getting better here one way or another, whether it's through passions, through dumbbells, burnouts, whatever it is. Through hiking, apparently, because I did this one hike video and everybody loved it and it caught me so off guard. I got mad followers off of this. So I'm like, I have to hike now full time. Either way though, boys or girls, if you're seeing this, please take these next couple months to lock in. Please don't cheat yourself because you're gonna regret it and then New Year's is gonna come around and you're gonna think, oh, now's a perfect time for me to start doing the thing that you said you were gonna start during the arc. Just start now. Have all that momentum going into New Year's and I promise you, it will be worth it. And bro, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a fitness influencer. I know it probably sounds like I am now, but either way, I'm literally myself, bro. That's it. I don't know all the answers, otherwise I'd give you all the answers. But what I do know, I've cut fat, gained a significant amount of muscle, and overall just felt better than I ever have in the last year. So if you feel like shit and you're trying to not feel like shit anymore, DM me and I'll help you as best as I can. I'm definitely not selling a course. I repeat, you can check my bio. I am not selling a course. So in conclusion, the winter arc refers to a period where individuals use the coldest, darkest days of the year as a means to refocus, pre-visualize, and arrive at their desired destination. I believe in you, and we're gonna get this shit. So please lock in. What are your plans? Let me know.